Hi friends. So friends, in this video we are watching the beautiful wardrobe designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs are available. And friends, in this video I am going to share the latest price for making the modern wardrobe designs. And even I am going to share which are the best materials for making this type of wardrobes. What are the carpenter charges for making the wardrobe, and before making the wardrobe what are the points to consider. So in this video I'm going to share everything. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. A stylish wardrobe elevates the bedroom overall looks because it also acts as a focal point or complementing the interior decor, and also it can enhance the ambience, so it making the space feel more luxurious and the premium. A well designed or wardrobe provides ample storage for clothes, accessories and other items, which can reduce the clutter and keeping the bedroom tidy. And also the customizable wardrobe shelves and drawers make it easier to organize the belonging efficiently. Even a visually appealing high quality wardrobe can add the value to your home. And the modern wardrobes comes in various colors, styles and fixture. You can see in this video. And even the many beautiful wardrobes incorporate smart features like pull-out racks, built-in lighting or modular designs, making it daily use for convenient and efficient. So investing in a beautiful wardrobe often means opting for a high quality materials, ensuring the long-term durability and cost effective. So friends, now I'm going to share which are the best materials for making the wardrobe designs. In the market, there are the several options like particle board, MDF, and plywood. For the particle board, the cheapest option, but it is not durable, which can get damaged by the moisture and fall apart quickly. So avoid it, even if you are on a tight budget. Another one is the plywood, the most reliable and durable choice. Plywood comes in three main types. One is MR ply, which we call the moisture resistant, and it is budget friendly and great for the dry areas like bedrooms, and it is not ideal for the humid spaces. Another one is the BWP, high quality, perfect for kitchen or humid areas. It is strong but slightly pricier. Another one is the MDF, affordable but less durable than the plywood. So for long lasting wardrobe, go with the BWP ply. It is a little bit of more expensive but worth it for its durable and resistant to moisture. So plywood is the best material for making the wardrobe design. So you can select as per your choice like MR plywood, and another one is the BWP. So you can select as per the quality of materials. In wardrobe you will get two types of, like one is hinged doors, second one is the sliding doors. In a hinged doors, the classic style where doors swing outward. It has some pros like durable, sturdy, and you can use the entire internal space. One little bit of disadvantages is that require extra space in front of the wardrobe to open the doors. Another one is the sliding doors, which is modern, sleek and perfect for small space. Its advantages is that it saves the space and looks stylish, and a disadvantage is some internal space is lost due to the sliding tracks and maintenance can be costly. So choosing the slide door if you are short on the space. If you have enough room, want maximum storage, go with the hinge doors. And also the depth of the wardrobe is critical, so ideal depth should be 24 inches, that means 2 feet. This allows the clothes to hang comfortably and doors to close properly. If space is tight, so keep 18 to 20 inches can work. If you have more space, so keep 24 inches. And mistake going below 18 inches. This makes it hard to hang clothes properly, so and door won't close well. So always think about 18 to 20 inches, or if you have more space, keep 24 inches. So friends, for finishing of your wardrobe, there are three options are there. One is laminate, second is acrylic sheet, another one is premium options like veneer, PU coating, charcoal sheet. So for laminate is a budget friendly and it is widely used in the wardrobes and kitchen cabinets, and it is available in various colors and textures, and it is low in maintenance, and it is also the durable. In acrylic, you will get offer a glossy and modern look, but it is higher in cost and requires more maintenance. And in premium, you will get veneer, charcoal sheet. So this gives a luxury look, but come with a higher price tag. So if you are on a budget, go for laminate. It is affordable, durable, and stylish, and it is most common material which is used for making, giving the finishes for furnitures. So friends, now we're going to see that how much it will cost for making the wardrobe designs. The cost of wardrobe depends upon the two factors. First one is the material cost and second one is the labor cost. So labor cost, if you provide the materials, carpenter may charge 300 to 350 rupees per square feet, and for material price starts from 800 to 1200 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the quality. So let's say about your wardrobe is 8 by 7, that means the total area of the wardrobe is 56 square feet. So for making the wardrobe, the total price will cost you almost 61,000 rupees. Cost vary based on design, materials, number of drawers and the labor charges in your area. So my tip is that save money by adding more shelves, limiting drawers and choosing the laminate finishing. So friends, always option for more shelves. They are affordable and practical. Limit yourself 2 to 3 drawers based on your needs. Design the hanging section based on the length of your clothes. These are the some tips you can add in your wardrobes. Friend, most of the common mistake people makes while they're making the wardrobe, they add too many drawers because drawers require extra hardware which can increase the price significantly of your cost. So don't make this mistake. So friends, when we are planning to make any furniture of the house, so my suggestion is that by yourself go to the market and purchase the materials, because you will get the good quality of materials, and another thing is that you can save your money also. So friends, still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and like this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Keep supporting to my channel. Thank you.